What's good, YouTube? And if you're new to the Humble Gang, welcome to the Humble Gang. Welcome to the Humble Gang. Welcome to the Humble. Anyways, y'all see by that title, we are studying. And I was just out there trying to shovel the car and whatnot. But I gotta go back out because I gotta pay the rent. So I thought, why not give y'all a peek of what's really going down here in Ohio. People get stuck. It's just a lot going on, man. I don't even want to move my car type. AAA had to come out here last night. Meet Luna. Say what's good, Humble Gang. Say what's good. Oh, she love it on y'all. Personally, I like the snow. I love the snow. I'll be out there shoveling, making snowmen, all that. I'd have made an igloo in the snow, all that. But I just don't like getting stuck in the snow. I don't like it. But I'm gonna go have fun in it. You feel me? You being stuck in it takes the fun out of it. Cause then you feel me? They told us to keep the faucets running. So shit can freeze in. Look at this. These people out there stuck already. Let me get ready. You know, one thing I've been learning, Humble Gang, is I can't help other people's perceptions or opinions of me. I could be the coolest person to you, and you will still find a reason to not fuck with me. This is just something I'm learning. Like, I'm very observant. And just, I'm not crazy, gang. When you peep weird shit, is like, damn, what did I do to you? But then you go back to the drawing board, be like, personally, I ain't do nothing. I'm in a relationship. I got my own shit. If I hurt your feelings, so be it. But I didn't do nothing to you for you to be acting out of spite or just on some weird energy. That's where you gonna miss me. You feel me? I feel your ass right here. I don't know. Sometimes people don't want to listen. We not vibrating on the same frequency. It ain't gonna get through their head. You feel me? Luna. It could be a number of things. So really, if it ain't my girl that I can vent to on some pillow talk, like, man, I was feeling bad. You feel me? I don't even vent to her for real, but I vent. Even if you can't reply, even if nobody's watching, somebody can convey and relate to my message. Somebody is listening. Somebody is interested. Get down. Get down. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Move. I might get stuck. I'm gonna show y'all how I shoveled the car this morning. Cause mind you, we don't have a shovel. I used the dustpan to the broom. That motherfucker got it up. Mind you, the snow not ice, so it ain't sticking like this. It's like a pillow. Get this shit up. But this is what I got. I done took the see everything else. I got a little slider. I don't want my shit getting stuck just trying to get out. This is all just off a little dustpan, nigga. All off the dustpan. Yeah. But mind you, I used to get up in the mornings before school and I would shovel our sidewalks. I would shovel the driveway and shit so my mom can get out every morning. It's like 5, 6 before I even had to go to school. And this ain't in high school. This is in elementary. This is middle school, not elementary. Middle school shit. Damn, this shit thick. See where motherfuckers getting stuck. Damn, it's this Dodge right here stuck. fuck walking through this. This shit thick. It's thicker than it was 2 years ago. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this nigga stuck behind me. Let me put some salt down. Did y'all forget? It just reminds me like I'm country. Or I'm well seasoned. Damn, y'all. This is like walking through. God. Ooh. You can't even see the steps, cuz. This is a snowstorm. For real. For real. Hey, if y'all haven't seen the last snowstorm, make sure you go ahead and watch that video and put it up on the screen. And just compare the differences. Go ahead and comment under that video. Like, damn, 2022 was crazy, but 2025, it feel different, nigga. It feel different. I'm in my own shit. Snowed in. Hey. Oh, he wanted to hit me. Or am I in the street? I can't tell. I can't tell. Alright. I'm gonna go in here and take care of business. I'm gonna see how when I walk up out of here. Well, gang, look like they closed because of the snowstorm. Yeah. They stuck. They stuck. This is what it's looking like. Jam City. I knew the storm was coming though, because we didn't get no type of snow in December. No type of snow. We didn't get hit with shit. I needed this though. I love the snow. I love the snow. It's just beautiful, like, look at it. It's just beautiful, that's all. Probably gonna edit and upload a video for y'all today. Do a double upload since I'm snowed in. I'm probably even gonna be able to make it to work tomorrow. We up here. Okay. Try to make sure I drop the money. Good for dropping some money. You ever lost a couple dollars and be like, damn, I could never lose that much money again? Yeah. Snowstorm. It's worse. Monday night raw. Yeah, I wasn't gone long, huh?
Out my sister, she gon' make it. Miss Marzetti on the rods. Lil' Rue hurtin', I can see the pain up in my nigga's eyes. Lil' bro tweaking, he like taking chains and keep him as a prize. The match tweaking, tried to take a chain, that nigga almost died.